Hey guys, I'm Dee from Why Social. Wanted to do a video for you today about, I guess, the 3 ways that having a business actually changed my life. And I'd love to hear yours too. So probably the number one thing is, I think for me is actually realizing that I could do more than what I was currently doing and what I'm actually capable of, which is always ever evolving. But I think that just comes down to when you really need to stand on your own 2 feet when you have a business. And we had a business coach for a really long time, probably for the first 3, well, we still do. But for the first 3 years in the studio, we had a business coach, and then I really feel like I excelled even more once I actually got rid of that business coach and actually figured out that I could do it on my own and I could actually make those decisions on my own. It actually, it just really made me realize that I can do it. And then we have a business coach now again, because I feel like that they're invaluable at moments when you're confused, you're stuck, you're overwhelmed, and you just need some clarity. You need someone that's outside the box. So we still always have one at some points in time. Sometimes we just call some mentors or friend-tors to get advice when we need to as well. Okay, so number 2 is probably one of the things that has been one of my personal biggest challenges is definitely the stability side of things. So that has changed drastically. We went from being employed and having a set income to having a business and having no set income. So that has been a massive relearn. I think I'm still getting my head around how to manage that effectively. I can't say I've mastered that one, but it's definitely changed the way that I see things. And thirdly, I feel like it's just given me so much more freedom, with my time, with what I want to achieve, with my direction. It's just so much freeing than being, I have to be at work at 9 o'clock, I finish at 5 o'clock. It's just so much more flexible. You do a lot more hours, don't get me wrong. I'm not even going to lie about that, because the amount of hours we do is probably more than if I was at a business, or if I was at work, sorry. But yeah, I think just the freedom and that reliance on yourself is probably the main one. Anyway, I would love to hear how business has changed your life in the comments below. So just pop me a message. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.